In this video, I'll teach you a nifty trick that you can use to get Microsoft Project to tell you how many resources you need on each task in your project schedule. Back a few years ago, I had a prospective client who said to me, "Dale, I'd like you to teach my people how we can enter duration and work for each task and then have Microsoft Project tell us how many people we need on that task." In this video, I'll teach you how to do that very thing. So let's get started. Here's a nifty little trick I want to show you in Microsoft Project. What I would like to do is to put in a duration value for a task and how many hours of work will need to be performed on that task, and then let Microsoft Project tell me how many team members I need to assign to get done during the specified duration with the specified amount of work. So I have this task, pour foundation and footings. I've got a duration of 10 days and 360 hours of work. Let me warn you, however, that the trick I'm about to show you will only work with fixed duration tasks. It will not work with fixed units, and it will not work with fixed work tasks. So let me first show you that this task is indeed a fixed duration task. I double click, I go to the Advanced tab. Down at the bottom, the task type is set to fixed duration. Now, what I'm going to do is assign my team members to this task. So in the bottom pane, I'll go ahead and select crew members. I will not put in any units. I'll not put in any work. I'll leave those blank. When I click OK, the work is recorded as 360 hours. See, that matches what we see up in the Gantt chart pane. And the units value is 450%. What that means is 4 full-time crew members and 1 half-time crew member to get this job done in the 10-day time period for 360 hours of work. Hey, thanks for watching my video. If you like the way that I taught you how to use this trick with Microsoft Project, maybe your company would be interested in hiring me to teach your project managers and/or schedulers to use Microsoft Project. If you're interested, please leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll get back to you right away. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.